So Belize 43rd September celebration is right around the corner. We got this 10th of September and September 21st for Independence Day. That location right there, you can go pay your water bill. You can get your social security card here, but not so much about that, over the fact that if you're planning to open a business, you can come register, set up, and pay social security for your employees and yourself. Little breakfast nook right there. I know this is where you used to come get your voter's ID, and I don't really know what else you can do here, but I don't know if it's still open. National Drug and Abuse Council. I guess they don't do the voter's ID here, registration here anymore. One of the oldest lasting bus. This is the third. That was Shabos. They outlasted Bate and Novelos. I think Bate bus line came in first. Then you would have Novelos. Then I think it's a close foot race between Z line and Shabos, and then the other bus companies. For rural areas, the building right there, you go in there and you get your driver's license and tags if you live in the villages in Cayo district. Another breakfast nook right there, and get your read on down there. Check out the Santa Elena Library branch. How often do the bus run from here to San Antonio and Cristo Rey? Every hour?
No, I think
or they just do like morning trips? They go in the morning, like come in and out like between 6 and 8 a.m. in the morning, then they go back in the afternoon and then come back for 5? Okay. Okay, and then they go back in after 5 or just before 5, right? The last one goes back at what, 6? No, it's just in case people who are not from here trying and want to travel back there and they don't have private transportation, they could use public. Go and come. Yes, okay, so they okay, so you can travel from San Ignacio, Santa Elena to around 10-11 in the morning, and then you can make your way back out in the evening. Okay, this spot here, you can't come and drink only. You have to Okay, this establishment right here, it's a great one. You have to come and sit down and have a meal. You cannot just sit and drink alcohol. For the first, say, 7 minutes of this, visit those areas over there due to the fact that the Hawkesworth Bridge is closed for 6 months. Morning. They don't do 24 hours anymore here. You have the Belize Bank ATM right there as well. Heritage is over here, the Shell gas station. Show some love. Alright, we know we need some love here. They need some do and care right here. Coming down now. I want to continue giving out school supplies, but it's coming down too heavy for me. So it's going to be a wrap. I'm rolling over another dud today. Herb, beautiful flower. This is moringa right here, I think. Yeah, that's the moringa right there. Street empties onto Lemulus Boulevard. If you go straight out left to San Ignacio, right to George Price Highway, back into the heartland of Santa Elena or towards Belmopan. You can veer to your left at one point and then it'll put you right in front of the Santa Elena Bridge. Breadfruit. New Santa Elena, you have the Hive, Tequila, I Feel, and several other watering holes.